Wow, this new leaked Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra looks amazing, doesn't it? I've seen so many leaks about it online, and I can't wait for the official launch later this month. Check out these photos that Workaholic David shared on Twitter. They show the front and back of the phone in this gorgeous gold color. The design is stunning, right? The screen has barely any edges, and the camera on the back has 4 lenses and a laser autofocus thingy. It matches the official image that we saw before, so I think it's legit. Samsung just announced that its next big event is happening on Wednesday, January 17th, 2024, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us. We're pretty sure they'll show off the new Samsung Galaxy S24 series, which will have some amazing AI features. We're expecting to see 3 models, the 6.8-inch Ultra, the 6.2-inch Standard, and the 6.7-inch Plus. They might not look very different from the previous generation, but they should have some cool improvements. We've heard a lot of rumors about these phones, but we don't know for sure until Samsung confirms them. What we do know is that these phones will be the best Android phones in 2024. So let's talk about the camera department, cause nowadays most of people are only interested in that. The camera specifications of the Galaxy S24 Ultra seem to be identical to the Galaxy S23 Ultra. As per the leaks, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will include a 200 megapixel primary camera, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide angle lens, a 3x optical zoom lens, a 5x 50 megapixel periscope zoom lens. The only difference between the 2 generations of Samsung Galaxy Ultra smartphone is the secondary zoom lens, where the upcoming variant has a high-resolution 50 megapixel sensor with 5x optical zoom and 10x lossless hybrid zoom. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will be a beast of a phone that will come with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor in some countries and Exynos 2400 processor in others. These processors will also enable some amazing features on the phone, such as real-time translation of messaging apps, generative AI techniques for photo editing, and enhanced search capabilities on images. Well, that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one.